Okay, guys. So welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadaiva classes. Practice set 41 we are going to learn today. Before starting the problem set, practice set 41. Let's see some revision, guys. We have seen the formula of simple interest, that is principal into rate into time upon 100. This is the formula of simple interest, right? So where R is the rate of interest आपण आहे त्याप्रमाणे आपण घेतो. And we have already learned about the practice set 40. Now let's see and solve practice set 41. Easy आहे. The only you need to remember the formula. Now question number 1 में question 1 काय दिलं तुम्हाला options you have given and there is a question. काय question बघा. If interest on 1700 rupees is 340 rupees for 2 years, what is the rate? Rate must be. Rate दिलेलं नाही तुम्हाला and what is given? You have given the interest. Interest दिलाय 340. P is, this is your P. Principal amount is 1700 rupees, 1700 रुपये. This is your I, that is interest. This is your period किंवा time म्हणूया आपण त्याला, period or time. And we need to find out rate of interest किती आहे. What is rate of interest? That is R. R is equal to how much? Now this type of questions are the objective questions are, therefore they do not require the proper solving. पण तरी सुद्धा आपण solve करणार आहोत. Let's see, guys. Yes, here. एक सेकंड. So question number 1 here. बघा इथे मी घेतो question number 1 सोडवायला. I have some space here. What is given? Formula वापरायचा इथे. I is equal to P, that is principal, into R, that is rate of interest, into T. T is time or period, upon 100. Upon what? Upon 100. Now write the values. I already given. I किती दिलं तुम्हाला 340 is your I. P principal is 1700. 1700 is your principal. Rate of interest R is not given to you. We have to find out what is R. We need to find out what is R. And then T. T is what? It is given for 2. 2 given that upon 100. Now, आता बघा काय करायचं तुम्हाला इथे 0 0 already cut झाला. We need to find out R. Yes. So here R is equal to 340. 17 and 2 जे आहेत ना ते या बाजूला जाणार to the left hand side of equal to sign and they will be divided. So here 17 into 2. 17 into 2. Solve this. What do you get here? 17 1 is 17. 17 2 is 34. 0 does rada. That means 20 again divided by 2. Divide kara. Your answer is 10. It is 10% is your R. 10% is your R. And you have the option, that is option number 4. This is the yes. So question number 2 here. Yes. If the interest on 3000 rupees, if the interest on 3000 rupees is 600 rupees at certain rate for a period of certain rate for a certain number of years, what would be the interest on 1500 rupees under the same condition? Getting, guys? So 3000 rupees ला जर interest विचारलं त्यांनी 3000 rupees चा जो interest आहे that is 600. So what could be the interest? What could be the interest on the same, सगळं same बघा, rate of interest R is same, T is also same. What would be the rate of interest on 1500 rupees? Right? Now we have to solve this. कसं solve करणार? Yes, cross multiplication करो, you'll get the answer. So 1500 इकडे येणार तुमचे 1500. Yes, हा तुमचा इथून निघून जाणार. This. So x will be what? 0 0 cut झाले. Here also 0 0 गेले. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 2 ones are 2. Here it is 300 rupees. किती आलं? 2 3s are 6, 300. So option number 1. Option number 1. परत सोडून दाखवतो बघा. इथे सगळं स्क्रीन तुम्हाला नीट दिसली असेल. Yes. So we'll solve here. Yes. See, इथे मी तुम्हाला व्यवस्थित सोडून दाखवतो बघा आता. For 600 rupees is the interest for 3000 rupees. Then what could be the interest at the same rate for same period for principal of 1500 rupees? So obviously बघा here principal half होता है. That means the value, which value? Principal half झालं बघा ना. 3000 चं 1500 झालं, half झालं. Therefore 600 पण already half होणार. That means x is equal to what? 600 upon 3000 into 1500, 1500. We have already solved this and we got the value 300 rupees. 300 rupees. Option number 1. 300 rupees. Option number 1. This one. Option number 1. Getting? Question number 3. Javed deposited 12,000 rupees at 9 PCPA in a bank for some years and withdrew his interest every year. At the end of the period, he had received altogether 17,400 rupees. For how many years had he deposited his money? For how many years has he deposited his money? काय केलं बघा त्याने 12,000 rupees दिले 9 PCPA in a bank for some years. So we don't know what is the T. We don't know what is the T. Getting? चलो. So let's solve here. सोपं आहे. Yes. Let's see, guys. Let's solve this question here. Chalo. So how much amount he deposited? This is your P. This is your P. This is your R. For some years we don't know. We don't know the N or T. Now he received 17,400 rupees. So that is your amount. Amount is what? Amount is 17,400 rupees. Amount is 17,400 rupees. Principal P is what? P is 12,000 rupees. P is what? It is 12,000 rupees. Sorry. Then R. R is what? 9 PCPA. 9 PCPA, that is 9%. So we require T. T is what? Time किती आहे? If we see here, guys, आपल्याला इथे we have also given the I. I पण तुम्हाला मिळाला आहे. I is what? First we'll find out the I. I is what? A minus P. Amount minus principal is your I. एक second. So here A minus P is equal to A. A is what? 17,400 मधून तुम्हाला 12,000 subtract करायचे. So your answer will be what, guys? Yes. So answer will be 5,400. 5,400 is the interest. So this interest is there. Now we'll find out the T. Chalo, use the formula here. मगाशी केलं ना, सेम करायचंय. I is equal to P into N into R. Sorry, N not T. तुम्हाला T दिलेलं आहे. Earlier we were used to do that. That's P into R into T upon 100. Put the values. I is equal to what? 5,400. P is 12,000 into R. R is what? 9. T upon 100. T we don't have. राईट. याला सॉल्व्ह करायचं आहे. what will you do guys? 0 0 कट झाला तुमचा 0 0. That means now we have to find out t find out करायचं इथे. T is equal to what? T is equal to 5400 55,400 divided by 12 into 9 divided by 12 into 9. Okay, chalo, let's solve this and you'll get the answer. Okay, there is one zero, we forgot it here. Zero इथे आहे बघा, इथे आपण विसरलो. So 0 0 आपण कट केला. Finally what do we get here? मी ते थोडंसं लिहितो बघा, जागेची खूप अडचण आहे आपल्याला इथे. बोर्ड असं लिहा काही नाही आपल्याकडे. ग्रीन कलर वापरतो. See, so t is equal to here, t is equal to 540 upon 12 into 9. Now याला सॉल्व करा. काय मिळेल तुम्हाला बघा. 9 6 54 60 आलं आणि 12 ने 60 डिवाइड केलं. युअर आन्सर इज 5. सो 5 काय तर इयर्स. सो 5 इयर्स इज युअर आन्सर. So he deposited his amount for 5 years. Kon? Javed. So question number 4. Lataben borrowed some money from a bank at a rate of 10 PCPA interest for 2.5 years. 2.5 years, that is 2.5. 2.5. To start a cottage industry. If she paid 10,250 rupees as total interest, how much money she has borrowed? So here we have to find out the principal. We have to find out principal amount is what. Getting? We have to find out what is the principal amount here. Let's see, guys. एक मिनट. Yes. So एक मिनट जरा इथे. Yes. Question number 4. Now here, what is given to us? What is given to us? P. We have to find out. So P is not given to us. Then A is what? A किती आला? A पण आपल्याकडे नाहीये. A याची गरज नाही. I is what? Interest. Interest is what, guys? It is 10,250 rupees. Then R is what? R is 10 PCPA. R is 10 PCPA. And then T. What is time? Time is for 2.5 years. That is 2.5 years. 2.5 years. So same formula we are using here, guys. Same formula आपण वापरत आहोत बघायचं. So here I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. What is I? 10250. Then P, we have to find out P. R is what? R is 10 PCPA and T is for 2.5. T is 2.5. 2.5 है ना, त्याला आपण proper decimal मध्ये घेतलं, it is 2.5 and here it is 100. Sorry, here it is 100. Now it is 0 0 सुद्धा गेला, कट झाला. What remains? P. P is equal to 10250 into 10 upon 2.5 upon 2.5. आता हे सॉल्व करायचं आपण. upon 2.5. से डेसिमल पॉइंट असल्यामुळे बरंच मुलं गडबड करतात. काय करायचं? व्हेरी सिंपल मेथड. आय विल टेल यू गाइस. 10250 दिलं तुम्हाला आणि किती दिलं पुढे 10 आहे. तर 2.5 चा पॉइंट काढून टाका आणि पॉइंट नंतर 1 डिजिट आहे, देअरफॉर एक 0 इकडे ऍड करा. सो युअर 25 इथे राहिला. 25 ने मल्टिप्लाय डिवाइड करा. 25 into 25 400. So what remains इथे मी लिहितो बघा. P is equal to 10250 into 4. Multiplication kara, you'll get the principal amount. Multiplication kara, you'll get the principal amount. Okay, sorry. See, एक मिनिट. इथे टाइप करणं आणि सगळ्या खूप गडबडून होते. सो चला मल्टिप्लिकेशन करा. 400 4 5 जा 20 2 आले 4 2 जा 8 8 plus 2 10 4000 plus 1 and 4 1 जा 4. So 41,000 is the principal amount. 41,000 is the principal amount. बघा इथे 41,000 rupees is the principal amount. Yes. So question number 5. Principal, rate of interest, time, interest and amount. We have to fill the blanks. Okay. आता इथे थोडं शॉर्ट मध्ये करूया आपण. शॉर्ट मध्ये म्हणजे फक्त रिकाम्या जागा भरायच्या. मी सॉल्व्ह करून पण थोडं फास्ट करूया. So 4,200 into 7 into 3 किती आले सांगा मला upon 100, right? So here if you see guys 200 तुमचा गेला इथे. एक मिनिट आपण काय करूया नाही व्यवस्थित सोडूया आपण. तर काय होतं तुम्ही एक एक क्वेश्चन पण तुम्ही गडबड करा आणि मला विचारा की सर हे कैसा है कैसा है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 बघा. So what is P here guys? Question number 5 madla first bar. What is P? 4,200. What is I? I आपल्याला काढायचा आहे. That is question mark. Then what is R? R is 7%. That is 7 PCPI किंवा 7%. 77777%. And what is tenure or time? That is 3 years. How much it is? 3 years. So you get here guys formula same applies आपल्याला. What is the formula? I is equal to P into P into R into T upon 100. So here you get P किती तुमचा 4,200 into R. R is what? 7 into T. T is what? 3 upon 100. 0 0 cut करा and multiplication करा. 42 into 7 into 3. Multiplication kara, you'll get the I. Whatever kara multiplication fast, send me the answer local. Fast. So once you get the once you get I, you find out A. किती आला बघा I, फटाफट करा. 42 into 7 into 3. 882. 882, right? 882. So here इथे लिहायचं तुम्हाला इथे लिहायचं 882 is your interest. And what is amount? Add करा. Amount is what? A is equal to P plus I. A is equal to P plus I. Is equal to P plus I. That is 4200 plus 882. 4200 plus 882. 882. So your answer is what? I will answer तुम्हाला बघायचे 42 plus 8 is equal to 50. 5082 is your answer. 5082. 5082. Question number 2. Principal amount. We have to find out principal amount here. Where I is given 1200. Then also we have to R to 6% and tenure is 4 years. Also we have to find out A. Also we have to find out A, that is amount. Okay, let's see here. चला आपण solve करूया. Formula same रहता है. Everything same here. I is equal to P into R into T upon 100, right? Now I is what? I किती आपल्याकडे I we have 1200 1200. Principal find out करायचं आपल्याला. R is what? Rate of interest is 6. T is what? Time. Time is 4 years upon 100. Upon 100. Okay. Now solve this. P is equal to what? बाकी सगळे तिकडे घेऊन जाना. P is equal to 1200 into 100 upon 6 into 4. चला solve करा. You'll get the answer. Let's solve करेला. 4 1 is 4. Then 25. 6 1 is 6. Then 200. 6 2 is 12. 200. And 200. So P P is equal to 200 into 25. 200 into 25. That is 5,000. It is 5,000 rupees. So here you will write 5,000 rupees. Pahila box में तुम्हारे लिए 5,000 rupees. Then we want A also. A is what? P plus I. Is what? P plus I. That is 5,000 plus 200. 5,000 plus 200. So answer is what? 6,200. A caster, P caster, we have already discussed with in our previous lectures. So 6200 इथे add होना तुमचे 6200. Okay. So next question number 8. Sorry, 3. Question number 3. आता इथे जागा आहे थोडं आपण इथेच युटिलाइज करूया सोडूया असं काही नाही इथे पण जागा आहे म्हणा. Now in question number 3, what is asked? P is given, that is 8,000 rupees. Rate of interest is 5%. 10 year दिला नाही तुम्हाला, कालावधी दिला नाहीये. We haven't given the T, so we have to find out T here. Also तुम्हाला I दिलेला आहे, that is 800 rupees. We also have to find out A, amount पण काढायची आहे. Same formula use करा, start करा बघा. I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Put values. I is equal to 800. P is 8,000. R is what? R is 5. And T is what? T is, we have to find out. Upon 100. Internal upon 100. So 0, 0 is a cut zala, 0, 0, 0, 0, it's 2, 0. So T is what, guys? T is equal to 800 upon 80 into 5. Right? और इतला आणखी एक 0 गेला आपला. किती आले बघा. 8 ones are 8, 8 tens are 80, 8 tens are 80, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So your value of T is 5 years. किती आले T? 5 years. Sorry, 2 years. T किती आला? 2 years. Right? Yala 2 years. Then, so here you can write 2 years. And A पण काढायचा आहे. A is what? P plus I. A is what? P plus I. That is P plus I. That is 8,000 plus 800. 8,000 plus 800. The answer is 8,800 is the amount. Okay. 8,800 is the amount. So put here 8800. 8800. Question number 4. We have to find out principal P. Rate of interest is given. 10 year दिलेला नाही. Interest 6,000 and amount is 18,000 rupees. Okay. So first we'll go by solving the principal. Principal काढूया आपण. Principal already दिलेलाच नाहीये, but we can use the formula and find the principal. What is I? I is 6,000 rupees. What is R? 5%. T is I, and A is what? 18,000 rupees. Right. So what is the formula of P, guys? P is a formula. Sorry, A. A is equal to P plus I. Right. Therefore, P is equal to y, another P is equal to A minus I. A minus I. A किती आहे तुमचं सांगा मला? A किती आहे? A is 18,000. Sorry. Minus 6,000 is equal to 12,000 rupees. So this is your principal. Direct principal या ठिकाणी आलं तुम्हाला 12,000 rupees. Now we'll have to find out the इथे तुम्हाला यायचं आहे 12,000 rupees is the principal. Now we'll have to find out the T. T काढायचं आहे. For that purpose we are using the formula I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. चलो सॉल्व करो. सोपं आहे बघा. I किती आहे तुमचं इथे? I 6,000 rupees. P is what? P आपल्याला आलो already 12,000 rupees. R is what? 5%. T we have to find out upon 100. Upon 100. 0 कट केला इथला पण 0 तुमचा गेला. T is equal to 6,000 divided by 12 into 120 into 5. So the 0 गेला 0 गेला. Okay. 5×5 that is 50 and 5 that is 10. किती आलं 10 years आलं. किती आलं 10 years. So here it is 10 years. 10 years. थोडं जरा गडबड झालेली इथं ना. So guys, चला last question घेऊया and that will end your banks and interest topic. Principal amount find out करायची आहे. Rate of interest is given, that is 2.5%, that is 2.5%. 10 year is 5 years and 2400 is the is what it is your Kai 2400 is your interest. Getting? Sure. Sorry. If we have to find out हा दिलेला आहे तुम्हाला 2400 I. Rate of interest is 2.5. 2.5 means 2.5. 3 year दिला 5 years. Now हे पण तुम्हाला काढायचं आहे. Right? चलो. So we'll use the formula I is equal to what? I is equal to P into P into R into T upon 100. So here I is equal to what, guys? I की चल तुमचा 2400. P we need to find out P. P काढायचं आपल्याला. R 2.5. T किती आहे तुमच्याकडे? T is 5 years. Upon 100. Upon किती आले? 100. Getting guys? चलो. So we'll find out the P here. P is equal to 2400 into 100 into 100 upon 2.5 into 5. Okay. So 5 ने आता divide करा. 5 1 is 5. 25 थे इथे. क्या है? 25 वाले. Sorry, 20 आले. Right? Then it had 2.5 है ना. So I have told you how to remove the decimal point. We have to take one more zero in the numerator. So it will be 200 upon 25. Multiplication it will be 8 here. So 2400 into 8 multiply kara, you get the answer, that is P. Sorry. Yes. जागा नाही मी इथे कुठेतरी वर लिहितो बघा इथे. Yes. So किती आले 2400 0 0 8 4 is 32 3 8 2 is 16 16 plus 3 19. So 19,200 is the principal. And त्याच्यामध्ये 2400 add करा, you will get the A. हे तुम्हाला मिळेल या ठिकाणी बघा. So 1900 19200 plus 2400 and this you'll get the amount 0 0 6 1 2, right? So 21600 21600.